Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about an important part of your engine, the camshaft position sensor, and the warning signs that it's going bad. If you ignore these symptoms, it can lead to expensive repairs or even leave you stranded. So let's dive in. What is a camshaft position sensor? First things first, what does the camshaft position sensor do? It monitors the position of the camshaft and sends that information to your car's computer, so it can control fuel injection and ignition timing accurately. If this sensor fails, your engine won't run properly. Symptoms of a bad camshaft position sensor. 1. Check engine light. The most common sign? Check engine light. When this sensor goes bad, your car's computer detects it and throws a code. If you see that light, don't ignore it. Scan it. 2. Hard starting or no start. If your engine takes forever to start or doesn't start at all, the sensor might not be sending the correct signal for ignition timing. 3. Engine misfires or rough idle. Another big symptom is engine misfires or rough idling. The timing gets messed up when the sensor fails, so your engine runs unevenly. 4. Poor acceleration or stalling. If your car suddenly loses power, accelerates poorly, or stalls while driving, this could be your camshaft position sensor acting up. 5. Reduced fuel efficiency. A bad sensor means incorrect fuel injection timing, which leads to poor gas mileage. If you're filling up more often, this might be why. If you notice one or more of these symptoms, don't wait. A failing camshaft position sensor can cause serious engine damage. Get your car scanned and replace the sensor if needed. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more car repair tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you next time.